the DuPont WFPF38001C system. If you're looking for the best whole house water filter system, keep looking. This DuPont WFPF38001C is not the filter for you. This system appeals to those on a budget, but you also get what you pay for here. Where does the DuPont system go wrong? Well, it leaks. Many homeowners regularly report that the system leaks directly in after installation, but there are many times that the installation will go over well and then months later it starts to leak. What you're saving in the initial cost, you'll pay for in installation. The installation is difficult, and unless you're very experienced, you will probably need to call a plumber. Unfortunately, with the amount of leaking, there isn't much to review on the actual filtering. Spend another $30 or $40 for a system that will filter your water and not cause water damage.